Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services and Craftsman Elite. 240-416-5068 is our office number. Admin at creativehandsforyou.com is our email, and www.creativehandsforyou.com is our website. And today we are back out in Kettering, Maryland, or Largo, Maryland, continuing on our bathroom remodeling project. And as you can see, we're a couple of days in, and we have some fixtures already set. Some of our floors ran, and we're still waiting on our shower pan to arrive. Then it will be installed. Our drywall will be patched back in. Our wall tile will go up, and we will be changing our shower diverter on the back wall back there. And then finishing touches such as the last bit of tile and trim and some trim painting, and we'll be done. So we've got about a day and a half of work left to do here. And this is our update on this particular project. So if you're in the DMV area and you're looking to remodel a part of your house, kitchen, bathroom, or general remodeling project, or you need super handyman services, give us a call. Creative Hands Home Services at 240-416-5068, and Craftsman Elite at 240-416-5068. Thank you. And we look forward to making you a new customer in the near future.